Morning everyone. Today we talk about the silent war India is losing, pollution. Pollution is not just India's problem. Every developing country faces this phase one day. America faces it, London faces, China, Singapore, everybody faces it. But the difference is simple. They accepted the problem, planned long-term solutions, and acted ruthlessly. India is still stuck in the blame game. Government blames people, people blame government, industry blame demand, politicians blame opposition. But the truth is uncomfortable. Every single one of us creates pollution. Let's talk facts, not emotions. According to global health reports, air pollution causes more than 7 million deaths every year worldwide. In India alone, over 1.5 million per year deaths annually are linked to polluted air. That's not statistics. That's human lives. We talked about solutions like artificial rain, rainwater harvesting, tree plantation drives. Yes, these are good, but let's be honest, they are not enough. Real pollution monsters are traffic jams, diesel and petrol vehicles, factories inside residential area, construction dust, burning overfish, and above all, unplanned urban growth. Winter exposure is a truth brutal. Then smoke, zero visibility, AQI touching 400 to 500 plus, where breathing itself becomes dangerous. School flows for light cancer, hospital overflows, and then we forget till next winter. This is the economic downfall is where lot of money is also losing, government is also losing, everybody is in danger right now. Here's an uncomfortable global truth. Every country wants to become a superpower. But superpowers are built through industrialization. Industrialization means cutting forests, mining mountains, expanding cities. So don't pretend pollution can disappear overnight. It can't. Global warming is not India versus China versus USA. It's a human problem. Now let's talk about real solutions, not cosmetic ones. First is factories must be shifted out of residential areas where dense pine forests are there, not on empty land. Let's pollution stay there, let's trees neutralize it. Second is electric vehicle must be become default, not luxury. Government should to reduce subsidies too much. EVs are still treated as a future track. They should be present necessity. Public transport must be faster than private cars. Third, metro buses, electric buses make them cheaper, faster and reliable. Fourth, cycling for short distances is compulsory to be there under 3 kilometers. Yes, it is uncomfortable, but so long it's a Lanka, but so is a Lankan. No. Revive our urban rivers like Yamuna now for politics, for ecology. Yamuna is wholly developing is in Delhi. So from this they can go through the transport everywhere. What about the school cities, track dust and improve air quality? Decentralized air purification, green belts, vertical gardens, roadside trees, not just parks for photos only. Let's address the harsh reality. The rich will buy air purifiers, the poor will inhale poison. But the pollution does not check the bank balance. You may afford purifiers here at home, but what about outside the roads, offices, schools, hospitals? Everyone breathes the same air. Government action is slow, yes, but the local action is faster. So stop sitting at home or blaming everyone. Stop, do by yourself, make a community of 5 to 10 people at least, and start planting trees outside your home. Take your parking as an effect of precure the environment and park your car inside your home. By this and put a plants in a balcony, put a terrace garden, make a terrace garden. These things help in a good area and everybody will clean, see the clean air in faster. Stop, so reduce stress, street congestion, walk when possible, share vehicles, so small actions multiply millions save nations. Other countries studied the problem. They took help from global experts. They followed science, not slogans. India must do the same because fighting without clean air and water is not growth. It's slow suicide. And remember, we don't need to choose between economy and environment. We need both because without clean air and water, there is no future to be powerful. So thank you for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.